Hey everybody, it's Jennifer. I have a bevy of brushes for you today. Absolutely love these. You're going to want to put these in your cart. These are great for cleaning. Actually put 2 sets in, one for the kitchen and one for the bathroom. You will not be sorry. So you get these 2 long brushes. They are the same and they have plastic bristles. The gray bristles are just a little bit uneven there. You can see that where the white bristles are more flat, and that's going to get into all of those crevices. Super easy to hold. This is hollow here, and then you have the nice little hole if you want to hang these on a hook. You also get 3 of these brushes. These are plastic, but look how skinny these are. Like, that is super skinny. So this is great for getting into crevices, like for instance, in your cabinets, because you can just get right in there and get all of that dirt out. And I think this is cute. It has a little heart for the hook on the end. And then you get 3 of these brushes here. These are great. So this one is plastic. And I love this part here. Don't overlook this. This is like a little scraper. This is awesome. We use this for getting gook off of the counters, off of pots and pans. And it is surprisingly gentle on your surfaces. It just like scrapes off that top part. And then this is plastic, the black one. So these are metal, the silver and the gold. The silver is firm, but the gold is even a little more firm. You can see they're slightly different. Also, the silver one has the bristles that do sort of, they're a little more uneven on the edges. If you can see that, again, they have the scrapers on the ends, and you can hang these up. Just to give you some ideas, I have this coffee carafe that I love. It is so hard to clean and it gets so gross. These are great for that because you can get all the way down into the bottom and really brush down in there and scrub. And you can even see right there. Ugh. And then you can get all along these corners here. Again, yuck. And I do clean this, people. And then you can get into all of these crevices here with this little skinny brush and just really make this like new. Also love these for your metal coffee cups that you have to go, or a metal container that you use for water. These do get gross in the bottom too. And you can just get in here with the brush and get all of that gook out. That's especially great like if your kid uses electrolytes for sports. Sometimes that gets gooky at the bottom and you can clean this out. So absolutely love these. Again, I use these everywhere in my house. I also love to gift these. I'm a practical gift giver and people appreciate it because this is not something that people are going to buy for themselves. I think this makes a great gift. I would love to get this for Mother's Day personally. I know that's not for everyone, but I like to clean. So these are amazing. Think about giving them as a gift for you or someone you love. Definitely check these out.